In this video, I'll show you how to play Mutate with Me by the Humpers off the Plastic Valentine record. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and leave a comment what you like, what you didn't like, and here we go. All right, so this song is in standard tuning and it's in the key of D, and it starts off with this open D note. You're just gonna play the D string. Play eighth notes, and it starts off with like kind of a mild palm muting, and then it gets louder as it goes on. So it's just real simple, just and then it goes into the intro guitar part, which is practically the same part as you're going to play during the verse. It starts off with a D power chord, and it's all power chords, and it goes like this. So again, that's slowly. And then, so that plays that one time, and then it goes to this higher part, which is played with octaves. And what you're going to do is you're going to play, it's similar to a power chord form, but you're going to play the root note on the A string with your index finger, and then you're also going to mute the D string with your index finger. So it sounds like this, those two notes. So, and then you're going to play the G string with your ring finger, and that's going to be a played note. So you're going to be playing three notes where you're going to be playing two and muting one. So it sounds like that. So these notes are octaves, which means that they're the same note that you're playing on the 9th fret of the A string. That's an F sharp, and then you're also playing an F sharp at the 11th fret of the G string with your ring finger. And so it goes like this. Slowly. So you're going to play one time with the power chords, and then one time with the octaves. And then there's this little fill that's only played the first time through in the intro, and it goes like this. So slowly. And then it goes into the verse, which again is that first part, just played slightly differently. So I'll play it. So you're going to play that first verse part just like you played it before, except at the end you're going to play the last chord, and then you're going to play the octave version of it. Then we're going to go into the chorus, and the guitar has this notey part, but the rhythm chords are a G, A, so it goes. And then the guitar is going to be playing. So again. The end of the chorus is going to be a D chord. So the whole chorus goes. Then we're going to go back into that intro part again. So after you do the verse and chorus again, then it goes into the solo, and the solo is comprised of basically three different parts. The first part you're going to play twice, and the first part goes like this. So you're going to play that twice. Slowly. One more time. And then it goes into the next part, which is kind of a repeating pattern in itself. So it goes like this. Again. One more time. And then it goes into the last part, which is kind of a play off the first part, which goes like this. Basically Chuck Berry bends. So again, one more time. So that's solo all the way through. So after the solo, it's going to do the chorus twice, and then it's going to end with an A to a D power chord, and it's going to play it like multiple times. So I'll show you, I'll play it all the way through. So that's it for this one. Remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and leave a comment what you like, what you didn't like, what you want to see next time, and I will see you guys next time.